Hey, good morning. Back out at the flight line. Got the FMS F-18 Hornet out here. It's got the China Hobby 6L 3300 battery in it, and this will be flight number 2. The first time I flew it, had a real tough time getting off the ground, and after looking at the video on it, I think it's because the field was so moist. It was sucking up too much moisture up through the cheater holes on the bottom, and it just had a tremendous amount of water vapor coming out of the exhaust. So I think I might just not have had enough clean air going through it. Once it was in the air, it was flying okay, but like I said, getting off the ground was tough. Now I'm going to try it again with one tick of flaps, and here we go. There's full throttle. And she didn't get off the ground. Oh, me, one of those days.